Pat Lord as what the Mary Mother of God, pray for sinners now and now at the hour of our death.
Hello guys, so I'm now at the airport. So I'm just having coffee and then I'm waiting for my flight to board. So my flight is at 9:45 a.m. And then it's currently, what time is it? It's currently 6:58. Yes, I'm listening to Mr. Antipatico by Nadine Lustra. Still a little bit cringed by myself na mag-vlog in public or ma-video in public. I'm not really used to this, guys. So bear with me. Yun lang. Bye. I'm at Cinnabon. I needed to eat. But also, daghan ang nag-standby sa akong area and then mauwa ko mag-vlog. I'm still getting used to this. So I'm still currently watching Beanie. Why is it so hazy sa gawas? I don't know, is it haze or sa window? So I have here a corned beef bun with egg. It's so hot.
We're not boarding. On the way to the plane.
Hey guys, so it's now safe to record, I guess. So basically, I'm flying to Clark. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Anyway, basically, I'm flying to Clark, and then when I get off the plane, I will immediately go to my accommodation to check in, and then find a bus that's going to Parañaque because I'm gonna be watching the SB19 Wakas at Simula concert in SMDC Festival Grounds. I'm actually running very low on sleep right now, so my goal is to get some sleep while I'm at the airplane and then when I'm on the bus as well. Okay guys, I'm walking to claim my baggage.
My big ass luggage. So I didn't know that Clark International Airport is this big. This is my first time here actually.
So hard to book a Grab. What the hell? Blue Taxi is so expensive. They charged me for 600. Of course, I'm not gonna pay for that. It's freaking expensive. I have a car booked already. So Grab is charging me 360, which is almost half or half na gyud. Half of what Blue Taxi is charging me for 600 to 500 pesos. Grab is only 360, which is much better and cheaper. Well, not really, but I don't have any other choice. I'm trying to catch the 12:30 noon bus ride going to NAIA Terminal 3, but it's already 11:42. So I think dili na ko makaabot ana nga bus. But the next trip is at 1:30. Hopefully makakatch pa ko ana. Oh, here it is. Hello po. Thank you. sa yung pagtaas ng presyo ng gas. So, inalaw siya for the meantime. Oo, tapos galing ako Cebu, kuya.
Dito lang po.
Oh my god, that was so stressful. Anyway, I just got in my hotel here in Clark. So I'm gonna show you my room. Here's my room, guys. So I got this room for only 1,100 something. I'm gonna put the exact rate here, I think, or here, or here, or here, or here. Anyway.
So yeah, yung importante lang, Tagalog. Ang importante na dyan is naara ko yung makatulugan din eh. So yeah, bounce ako guys. Kaya ma-update ako. Oh, parang yan ka! Bye! I'm gonna update you later.
Just got off the bus and I'm on my way to the terminal sa Genesis na bus. Kay mangutan ako sa ito gani kanang pabalik sa SM Clark on sa schedule. Magkudapit ani nangita ko sa Move It Pick Up. I'm freaking lost. Wala yung mga guard, wala ko yung mapangutan-an. Ano ko sa jungle. Girl, daghan na kay kong gipangutan-an. Grabe. Oh, kasabot. Libog ka, diri. Oy. Hindi na dyan nga struggle, guys. Okay. Guys, I just arrived at the venue pero hindi pa ako nakapasok kasi kanang nagpaabot pa ko sa ako ang kauban and then I bought water and they gave me free chocolates. So I'm just outside. It's so hot. Pero nara may shade. So okay lang. There's someone just gave me a Ken photo card. Guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina pero na-meet ko na. Eto, kasama ko si Dan.
Hello, guys!
Si bestie ko. So, ayun, naghanap-hanap lang kami ng makainan kasi hindi pa kami kumain. Pero, walang mga dito guys, yung mga McDo or mga Jollibee. Parang nakaka-dollars talaga dito. Sobra. Nasa Parkal pala kami. Ewan ko kung tama ba yung pagkakasabi ko, pero tama naman pala. Okay, so we're gonna eat now. Yes, let's eat. We're at Crunch. Ay, the Crunch day. The Crunch. Nice. Andito kami sa Wakas at Simula Bus. And padong namin sa SMDC Festival Grounds. Haggard na kaya ko nang. Buti pa yung iba naka-outfit. Ako airport fit. Look at how packed this place is. Mas madami pa ring tao kanina. Compared ngayon kasi it's already 5 p.m.
Ang daming 18.
Lang kami guys sa giveaway. Parang gummies na giveaway ata. Ah, giveaways. Early gummy. Hello po. Thank you po. Ano yan? 5 items. Oh, 5 items. Check natin. We got the bag.
Unboxing. Ano laman? Ano to? Yung light. Oo, bracelet. Bracelet na light. Okay, okay. So, tapos may photocard. Nakakuha din kami photocard. Nagpalit kami. Kasi Ken yung nakuha niya. Tapos sa akin si Jess. Tapos, meron ding fan. May fan. And then, since outdoor yung event, may pa-raincoat talaga. Iba talaga yung SB19.
Guys, may kasama ding wipes. Yung freebies. Grabe naman. Isang vlog.
I vlog is...
Hello!
Content creator to.
Ang ganda parang Coachella, Char. At some blue lemonade for 100 pesos. Yung Jamba Juice guys, 225 tapos mas maliit pa dito. Over. Na emotions dito, guys. Naramdaman ko na.
Alam ko matatapos na yung grupo. Pero, nandiyan kayo para. And not just SB19, but 18, of course, and mo ko pa'y nung ako'y bata pa, di ba? Aking puso'y iyong may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo magkalayo man tayo. Aking tatayo, pangako, tatay ko.
Isa siya. Nakapag-book na siya, guys. Ako hindi pa. I'm literally running right now.